Good morning. I decided I'm going to narrate this video this time. I posted a day or so ago about having accidentally deleted a video that I had made, and it was way too long. And so I decided to remake it, and I remade it much, much shorter, but without sound, so that I can narrate. That way I won't get too blabbery and talk too much to you. So let's go ahead and get started. This is some cabbage that I planted just a few days ago, and some lettuce. As you can see, I'm getting really excited about all the little things coming up. This is a type of tomato. I'm not going to try to pronounce it. This is Brad's Atomic Tomato. I'm excited for that one. This is a beefsteak tomato. This is some sweet pepper that's coming up, and this, the pepper from last year's seeds. Some leeks from bottoms of things that I got at the store. Lettuce doing just fine here. Microgreens, I believe that's mustard if I remember correctly, and Swiss chard. And this is some more Brad's Atomic Tomato. And some bunching onions. You can see they're in the paper pots that I made. Cauliflower. The cauliflower is quite leggy, but hopefully it does all right. And my fig that I purchased at Home Depot. Here's my seed box that I have all my seeds both collected and purchased. And this is mustard coming up. I decided that I needed to keep a journal this year. So this is my journal, and these are the various pages of my journal telling what I've purchased, what I've planted, when I planted it, who I bought things from, whether I collected the seeds myself or whether I purchased it. You can see that I recorded just about everything I could think of. I bought seeds from M.I. Gardner and Baker Creek. I got some from some other people, and a list of ones that I had collected myself from things I planted last year. And then a layout of how I think I want my garden to look. This is, of course, subject to change. The strawberries are permanent. They've been in there for several years. Both front and backyard and around the perimeter of the fence next to the house. Raspberries have been there for quite some time, but I think of underplanting some cool weather vegetables there because it's the shady side of the house. And hopefully I start enough vegetables that I'll need to plant a lot near the fence line. And more. Well, that quickly was what's going on here, and I just want to wish all of you happy gardening, and the Lord bless you mightily.